Even if you never create any of your own custom reports or custom dashboards, there's something that's really useful to review whenever you log into Google Analytics, and that's the insights area. So in this video, we're going to focus on the insights that are provided based on analysis of your specific data. So let's jump into the video.
So you might have created some custom dashboards, custom reports, and you might just be using the standard reports that are available within Google Analytics. But one of the things that's really cool and very straightforward to use is the Analytics Insights section. So when you're on the home page area, or this sort of dashboard area here, we can see that it's giving us some kind of insight. So here we can see more users returned to your site in May, and then it gives it a brief explanation in terms of how many users I had in April, and then how many came back in May, which gives us the percentage of users that have returned. We can also see that it says more insights, and we also have a button at the top here that says insights as well. And we can also click on insights and it will open up the same area. So we can see now that we have some insights where we can see how many users returned to the site in May. That's the one we just looked at. We've got your goal conversion rate is low and some top landing pages. And then we can drill down into some insights where it says insights on demand. So basic performance, how many users did I have last week? So if I click on that, it's then going to show me essentially the answer to that specific question. So I can see last week I had 2,310 users. Then what we've got is ask a follow-up question. So let's compare the users this week versus last week. So again, I'm just clicking on that button and it's now giving me a comparison. The users for the, I guess this week is 1,623 and then last week is 2,310. So we can see there the difference and the comparison. And again, we've got more follow-up questions and so on and so on. If we then go back, we can then drill down into different areas. So where do you get your users from? What are my top default channel groupings by user? What campaigns have the most sessions? What percentage of my users came from organic search in the last 30 days? So there we can see that 78.76% of that's the percentage of users that came back from organic search. That's essentially the majority of my visitors. So very straightforward, and it's already kind of giving you those questions that you might want to ask. What we can also do is we can go ahead and we can click into one of those sort of sections, those questions, if you will, and if I click on it, I can then save that insight. It's something that's important. I want to remember it and be able to go back to it. So then if we go back to the main insights area, what we're going to see is a saved section at the top. So here are all of the insights that I have saved. So I've got website performance week over week, something that I saved where I was able to get some valuable insights, and then I wanted to be able to go back to it, so I've got that saved. And then what we've also got is we've got any that we've read in the past where it's suggested those insights and we've gone ahead and actually looked at it. So if we go back to the insights area, and again, there we can see all of the different sections, so we can look through and see the information that it's telling us. Now, what if we have a specific question? We don't necessarily want to look through all of those and dig in, but if we go ahead and close this, we can use the search at the top. So we can see there it's suggesting try searching top channels by users. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in. So now it's gone ahead and it's given me some kind of insight based on that word. So maybe I could put how many users are on my site right now. So it hasn't actually given me a statistic, but it understands and says the real-time report allows you to see how many people are on your site or app right now. So I can go to the real-time report. Then I might say, okay, how long are people on my site? So there we've got average session duration for users, and it's given me that information. So the insights area is definitely something to have a look at and kind of familiarize yourself with the sort of information that it's showing you, and also understand that that search at the top is essentially going to be looking through your data and then providing you those insights. So it's a different way to kind of get into it. Likely the answers would be found here, but if you just want to type in a question and then see what it gives back in terms of the insight, then that's another great way to use it as well. So definitely a tool worth checking out.
Hi, I'm Megan Walker. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and that you learned something from it. If you don't want to miss out on any other content, you can go ahead and click on my face below to subscribe. And if you want to watch the next video, you can do that by clicking over here and go ahead and get started. Thanks again.